board, right? And so here you see an example of what a museum board model looks like. It's very clean, okay? Museum board, you guys can have a little piece of it if you want to kind of experiment with it, but it folds very easily. If you usually cuts fairly easily, and to fold it, you just barely crease it, and you're able to create a fold in it. It cuts like, sort of like butter, nice and soft. But the model ends up looking very clean. Now, the gray component that you see here, this is the plaza. Okay, this is the paved area that would normally be, there'd be benches along the sides of it, and there'd be maybe a fountain in the middle. Okay, but I want you guys to be able to show how the plaza confronts the parking area. My entrance, this entrance, no matter where I park out here, I'm going to know where that entrance is. And no matter where I park out here, I'm going to see a fountain and benches and the entryway, and I know that that's where I'm supposed to go. I'm not going to try and walk out to the sidewalk and come around the corner. Right? That's the visual clue or the visual cue that you guys are trying to give. Does that see inside of there?
No,
a little more?
Yeah.
All right, that's the visual cue that you guys are trying to provide, okay, as part of the architecture that directs people to an entrance. In my particular design that I've got, which is a very simple design, I had to cut open this side so that when I put my buses in over here, the waiting area that I have back there will look out onto the buses. Okay? Any questions about that? So I'm asking you guys to build the final model, canopy and all. Where's that other canopy that I had here? Oh, right there. So here you see a museum board canopy. Okay. This one doesn't quite fit here, so I'm going to have to kind of redo it. But I'm asking you guys to make the canopy and the building out of this, and then use the light gray material to create your entry plaza. Okay? Any questions about that? Again, this board, you're not going to need an entire board of it. So if you get with somebody and you say, I'll buy half of it, you buy half of it. I think they're like $10, so that'll cut the price in half. So, okay. Any questions about? Do you guys understand why we're showing this? No?
So
Yeah.
people know the entrance?
What's that?
So people know the entrance?
Well, but this represents like a plaza, a courtyard, an area that, not a courtyard, but an area that's paved and creates kind of a room before you get inside. Okay? And this is just designating kind of where that paved area is. Everything to the sides might be grass. So over here might be all grass and landscape. Over in here might be all grass and landscape. But that part is hardscape. Okay? And then the canopy obviously is going to be kind of next to it, somewhere over in here. All right? So I'll leave this out here so you guys can take a look at it. All right, that's it.